let me know 내게 말해 Still I wonder what it is 너를 원해 yeah. 진짜 왜 이런 시간에 어깨 기대 눈을 감을 때 Sounds like
This makeup tutorial is only for long faces, that is oblong face and rectangle face. There's really not much of a difference between the two honestly. Rectangle face is oblong face but with a more sharper and stronger jaw. The only thing that is going to be different about the two is the face contour.
So last video I talked about how I'm going to make a separate makeup video detailing all the products that I use and all the techniques I use. So here I am. The most important aspect of this makeup is that it is very beginner friendly and anyone can do this. Also, this makeup is catered specially to oblong face shape girlies or gays because I have an oblong face. I have gone through the entire internet searching for makeup tutorials specifically for this face shape. So if you're looking for anything that suits your oblong face shape, this video will definitely help you. And shout out to Dear Peachy, they helped me a lot. I won't spend too much time on the intro and I'll get straight to the process. And I will voice over the rest of the video because this video was not planned beforehand.
Now, before we start, grab a pen and paper and write down the points I mentioned in the video. So, you have an oblong face or a rectangle face or a face shape that is somewhere between the two. First, we need to look closely at the features of your face. How does your face shape look? These two face types are long and narrow. The face length is always longer than the face width. The forehead, cheeks, and the jawline is almost same in width. Rectangle face has a more sharp jaw, and oblong face has a softer and rounder chin. So, the goal of the makeup is to shorten the face and widen the face. And in rectangle face, the jawline is very strong and sharp, so the goal of the makeup will be to add some softness to it. Overall, our aim of the makeup will be to balance the proportions of the face, but here's a reminder that every face shape is beautiful. If you have a sharp, strong jaw, but you want to accentuate it rather than soften it, you should do that. This makeup tutorial is to balance and complement your natural features, not to hide your features. Keep in mind that every one of us have unique features, so my techniques are not set in stone. You can refuse to follow them or add to it. This is just a basic structure we need to follow to enhance a long face using makeup. I am not going to use a primer and a foundation because I don't like to use a primer and I'm still searching for a perfect shade of foundation. But if you use either or both, use it. I mean, application of primer and foundation is same for every face type. However, I use a sunscreen during the daytime, and if I'm going out in the evening or night, I just do my skin prep and it's enough as a base. We'll be using two concealers. Why? Because first concealer is for concealing your dark spots, dark circles, blemishes or hide acne spots, etc. Second concealer is to highlight specific area of your face to make it wider. So first step, I'll apply my concealer with a brush to hide my dark circles and dark spots. It's okay to use your fingers if you don't have a brush. I don't conceal too much because I like when my dark circles show a little bit. Finding a concealer that matches your shade and gives full coverage is really hard. As a beginner, I will not advise you to buy color correctors. They can be tricky for someone who is new to makeup. I would rather suggest you buy a concealer palette where you can mix and blend different shades to get your perfect shade. This one from Inside Cosmetics is good, but Sadly, it is not transfer proof. With the second concealer, I am going to highlight this triangular area in my mid face. Wider width of this region makes our face appear wider. So conceal the triangular zones on both sides, then let the concealer sit for a few minutes. Since our face is long, we need to extend our brow tails to give a wider look to our face. To add softness, always go for straight brows or softly arched brows. I have naturally thick eyebrows and I used to totally own them. I never groomed them because I liked how masculine it made my face look. But since last year, I have been shaving them off because I want to look feminine now. I am honestly shocked to see how much eyebrows can change your face. My mother never stops talking about how I ruined my perfect eyebrows. Blah blah blah. I like them. Put concealer on the top and lower line of your eyebrows to get a clean brow line. Then put concealer on top of your eyelid to build a base for your eye makeup. This will also even out any discoloration and veins. We are going to follow a pattern while doing our eyeshadow. The lightest shade will go near the nose, medium shade in the middle, and the darkest shade will go at the outer area of the eyelid. Why? Because this technique makes the eyes look distant, making the area look wider. In long faces, the focus of the eye makeup should be more on the lower lid than the upper lid. Doing more work in this region creates the illusion of a shortened mid-face. So, apply the darker eyeshadow on your lower lid and join it with the eyeshadow of the outer area of the upper lid. Apply eyeliner from the middle of the eye to the outer corner. Visually, this pulls the eyes away from the nose, making your face look wider. You can apply eyeliner both on your upper and lower lids, but I'm only going to do the upper lid. So, since we have to emphasize our lower lid more than the upper lid, that's why I'm adding aegyosal to my lower lid. First, a bit of concealer to lighten the area. Then take some dark eyeshadow to create the aegyosal line. I am still learning to use lashes, so I am going to skip it in this video. Lashes should be applied according to your eye shape. But if you apply lashes to widen your face, apply lashes on the outer corner of your eyes. And to shorten your face, apply lashes on your lower lid. Then do both steps. Mascara can be applied the same way as the lashes. Blush placement is very important here. Applying your blush the right way will help bring balance and softness to your face. Apply blush horizontally at the apple of your cheeks, but you can also extend it to your cheekbones. This makes your face appear shorter. Don't cross the triangular zone we highlighted using a concealer. Keep the blush limited to the apple of your cheeks. And don't extend the blush too low or below the base of your nose. It will make your cheeks appear droopy. In long faces, never contour your nose in a straight line along the nose bridge. It makes your nose look longer, which means it makes your face look longer. There are two ways to contour your nose. First, if you have a pair of wide set eyes, screenshot this and follow this exact pattern to contour your nose. Second is if you have a pair of close set eyes like mine, follow this. Contour at the base of your nose tip and draw a circle or a U-shaped shadow. Then contour your nose alars as shown. Never contour at the nose root because it will make your close set eyes look closer. I don't contour my face because I like my natural bone structure. I don't want to add neither softness nor sharpness to it, so I skip it. But if you have a long face, here's your guide. Add contour along the sides of the forehead or hairline. Then contour your jaw from the end of the ear along the lower jaw. This makes the face look shorter. If you have a prominent long chin, contour your chin. It reduces the length of your chin. In rectangle faces, you contour it to make the chin appear rounder. Apply highlighter on the cheekbone area at the lower outer corner of your eyes. It adds volume to this area. Next, you can highlight the ends of your brows to lift up your face. Highlight the nose tip. Then take a shimmery eyeshadow and highlight the inner corners of your eyes to brighten your eyes. It also widens the appearance of the eye shape. If you have a long jaw area, overline your bottom lip. It fills up the extra area, making it look balanced. If you have a long philtrum, overline your top lips. And if you have both, do both. If neither, then do the lips in any way you like. Finally, set your makeup with a setting spray so that it doesn't budge. Next, I'll use a no sebum powder because I like my makeup to look a little matte. And that's it. Have you finished writing down all the points? Good job. Here's a final look.
Let me know, 내게 말해. Still I wonder what it is, 너를 원해. Yeah. 진짜 왜 이런 시간을 가네. 어깨 기대 눈을 감을 때.
So that's it for my makeup look. I want you guys to try this at home and tell me if it worked for you. Of course it would do. And if you have any tips, share it with me. I would also like to grow, and we can all grow here as a community. Like and subscribe to me if you like my vibe. I know you did because you watched the video till the end in the era of short attention span. So stop acting tsundere and just subscribe to me, okay? Show me some love. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Until then, bye, love you. Okay, bye.
아닌 척하지만 웃고 있는 거 다 알아. Sounds like